Hello again, everybody. Doing it from DRFX Forex Trading. The Aussie Japanese yen pair is the focus of the analysis today, and we're actually seeing a possibility of a trade to be made on this pair in the next couple of hours. If we see this daily candle that we see here close a little stronger than it is right now, and closes below this outer uptrend line, then it's going to be a strong indication that the market is going to continue lower, breaking out of this pennant setup, which is part of an overall ABC setup. So this is a trade possibility that we're looking at, and based on the setup and based on the target that is set for this pennant at 83.38, the market could basically be moving sharply in favor of the Japanese yen towards its target. So assuming that this candle closes strong at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, then it's going to present a trading opportunity for us. Now, looking at the 4-hour chart that is going to be supporting this breakout candle, here you can see that the breakout that has started from that pennant can be seen here in the form of a sharp downtrend that has been formed on this time frame. Here you see a downtrend line as well as this U-turn setup that created this high just below the outer uptrend line, as well as the support boundary of the pennant. So this area, if we enter this area would provide us with a very strong stop loss placement area, which would allow us to hold our trade with knowledge and confidence that the trade will be protected as the market heads lower. So this will be a good area to place our stop loss at the 86.40 area, assuming that we get a good entry price at this area here. So this is a strong setup that is supporting the daily candle here, and assuming that the daily candle closes strongly enough below this outer uptrend line, then we could possibly trade it using a stop loss placement at that area on the 4-hour chart. So just to give you a broader perspective on what is actually happening, this downtrend that we're seeing, and that is likely to be continued if we get a strong breakout, is actually part of a much stronger and wider bearish movement that is going to be taking place in favor of the Japanese yen. Here you can see the strong range setup that has been formed since 1997, and most recently you can see that the market created these double top formations at the resistance boundary. This then led to the break of this uptrend line, and is basically essentially telling us that the market is going to continue lower in favor of the Japanese yen, back down towards the support area at the 55 area. So that is the momentum that is supporting this downtrend, and given that wider view and that within the larger context of that expected downtrend, this is the setup that's gonna be part of that overall movement. So this is basically going to be continuing the downtrend using this ABC pennant setup. So assuming that the market provides us with a strong candle at this area here, it can provide us with a trading opportunity towards this area. Now this trade would actually be part of the strategy to trade consolidation breakouts. In this case, we'll be using a normal daily chart signal to trade this breakout. So that is a trade. So that is the type of trade that we're going to be using from the trading manual. So at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is just under 3 hours away, we're going to wait to see how strongly this candle closes, and depending on how strong it closes, we can actually start to examine it for a possible trade setup using the 4-hour chart as our entry. So we're gonna wait a while to see how the market closes, and then send a trade setup your way. Until then, take care.